TTO. Oh, let's restart this shit. TTO, we back with another motherfucker video. Dig, Mr. Rod on cut. Let me slow this motherfucker down. I'm talking too fast, y'all. But I got a special surprise going on. Hold on, let me adjust y'all a little bit. All right, there we go. I got a special surprise. Don't mind the hair. See, Yanni got one good video of me. One good video of me with my hair done. One good video of me with my hair done. And I'm back to the regular rusty dusty program. You know what I mean? But we got some motherfucking news. I bust my ass today to get off early to try to make it home so I could get this special surprise. I got two special surprises today. I'm gonna let y'all see the first one, which I already told y'all that the Lexi, aka motherfucking 88 Cadillac, she needs a carburetor, and I'm about to go pick that one up for my homie Norm. Good looks to Norm. Norm had a I believe it's an Edelbrock. I'm hoping it's an Edelbrock carburetor that we could put up on there. I'm gonna go get that right now from my brother, because he works with my brother. So I'm gonna go grab that from him, and then we're gonna go to the house and wait for this package. But I'm gonna cut this back on when I get to my brother, so I can fucking I could grab this carburetor. As you see, we in Roxanne right now. Check engine light on. I need a new map sensor, so it's running a little bit lean right now. But yeah, slow ass trucks. I don't be on this side of the road at this time, so it feels a little weird getting off this early. So, but let me stop riddle rattling and talking and yabba dabbing, and let me get back to motherfucking. Let me get back over here so I can pick this up and I'll hit y'all back. Gang. We back with another motherfucking video. Diggity dig, Mr. Ron Uncut. You know what it is. I got the flash on. Damn, that shit look a little bright. But y'all see, look, it's all snowy outside. This shit dirty as fuck, bro. Look at that motherfucker growling. Oh yeah, she growling. Y'all know we got Cam car. Big killer Cam. Kia Forte GT. Y'all already know. 2023. Got the rain guards. You know we got the music coming. We got the door speakers. Hold on. We ain't gonna get that plate. You know what I mean? I know it's some weirdies. You know what I mean? I'm just playing. We don't give a fuck about that. Y'all see, we all dirty, but we blackout gang. You know what I mean? We get that double layer, that 5. Straighten y'all out. Oh, there you go. There y'all go. Oh, it's a little glissy. Y'all. It's a little glissy. But we'll turn it back on when he come out. Dang. 2 seconds later, this nigga came outside. Look at this nigga. Woo! They got the fresh cut. Little vlog. Put that in your hand. Sound a little, look like a little big boy. I ain't little 3K. You know what I mean? Got the 3K. Okay. Oh, I gotta get you the, what's the name? The pump. Hold on, y'all. Let me put y'all down real fast. Grab this pump. Pick y'all back up. Oh, that shit look like a drug deal. Hold on. It look like a drug deal. Hold on. Oh, this shit look heavy. Hold on, motherfucker got to wrap that shit in the trunk. Oh yeah. Come on. We gotta do a reveal. Fuck this job. Wrap that shit in the trunk. I'm wrapping that motherfucking like a kilo. When nigga pop the knife, you probably gotta pop the knife. You gotta pop the knife. That's like a kilo. You know what I mean? But you gotta test the work. You know what I mean? You gotta test. Ooh, look at that car. Oh, it's the same one I got on there. But that shit look way better. That shit look way better than mine. What the fuck I got on there now? Hell yeah. Oh, with the I got the manual. Oh no, but it's the electronic choke. Oh yeah, that's perfectly fine. Oh yeah, Norm gave me the hookup. Yeah, because Only thing about it is, I gotta take a picture of the Cadillac. It's the rear. It's missing something. I can't remember what it's missing. Oh, this shit still work good. This shit move good, y'all.
Hey, he got you with that hookup, wool.
No, I'm missing the sensor.
You can't take it off your old one?
Nah, I just gotta see. Oh, so that bottom one look good. That bottom gasket look good too. I'm definitely gonna bring him his food, but even if it don't fit, I'm still gonna take it. You know what I mean? He don't need it. You know what I mean? I'm gonna put it on to see, but I think it'd be good. I think it's definitely missing that sensor, cause that sensor is in the front. It's like right here, and it got a plug. I can't remember what year this one is off.
He got his off of I forgot, but he said his is off of now he's actually telling me in person. I actually don't have the fucking messages, but he told me it was it's a 4-barrel. It came off a
Nah,
T25.
that's the same one I got. That's the same one I got, but I don't it don't have that sensor. All of these are still good, but I'm gonna see if I could bypass the sensor because the sensor is actually right here. It's in the plate. It's right here. Cause remember, that's why I had to take apart. I had to take all of this apart, but to get to the sensor. But I'm gonna go to the house right now and see. Nigga, I was beating the clock to get up. But I was like, nigga, I ain't missing my subwoofer. Grab this shit. But all right, y'all. I'll catch y'all when I get to the house. Oh, my bad, y'all. I forgot. I literally just told y'all that he had speakers coming, and I was about to end y'all off, you know what I mean? We're going to give y'all a little sneak peek, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Hopefully sponsored, you know what I mean? Coming soon by Commando. You know what I mean? Nothing wrong with the Commando. You know what I mean? I got these for the caddy, too. I'm doing the Commando and PRV. So, Commando and PRV. But we're going to unbox. We're going to do a little unboxing right now.
Hold on.
Unboxing on them Commandos.
What they said, boy.
Ooh, look at that pro.
What they said, boy.
Watch some 6.5 about to go on them doors.
What they said, boy.
On a 2000.4 PRV, you know what I mean? It's going to give them good enough power so they won't be screaming. They won't be overpowered. They're going to be just right. You know what I mean? We got 4 of them bad boys. He getting a Chichetto. That's not my expertise. So you know what I mean? I'm going to let our other homeboy do all that. But I'm going to get him straight with the shit that I do know. You know what I mean? Which I know how to wire it up and all of that. But yeah, but that was just a little sneak peek of what we got. But let me go home. Let me hurry up. Get it to the other side of the motherfucking crib. You know we got the new carburetor. And we out. Gang. We back on another video. Mrs. Raw Non-Cut. You already know what it is. Now, we said we're going to be back. I'm going to show y'all what I got behind me. Some specialties. But we flip this camera around. We're going to get straight to the point. Bam. We got the American-based Godzillas. Just dropped this week. No, was it this week or last week? I think it dropped Friday of last week, if I'm not mistaken. But to my knowledge, I've been looking around. Been trying to see if anybody got the 18s. Nobody got the 18s yet, I think. I don't know. But to me, I think I'm the first person to get the Godzilla 18s. I don't know yet. But probably other people that probably order some. But I got the 2-ohm version. 4,700 watt RMS. Y'all already know what it is. Let's open this up. Y'all already know we got the data sheet. The data sheet. Come on, y'all. Let's get the data sheet. Look at the data sheet. Ooh. The data sheet. Ooh, look at the data sheet. Ooh, look at the data sheet. Boy, let me zoom y'all in. There we go. Y'all already know they got the 12, the 15, the 18. Damn, a little bit ashy, y'all. Y'all already know. I'm gonna show y'all. I ain't gonna go over it, but y'all already know. 4,700 RMS, 12,000 max. Mine will be going on a 10K. 10K at 1 ohm. That's why I got the 2 ohm model, because I know tar amps don't really like to be ran at 0.5, so that's why I didn't order 2 yet. I just want to test out. I know there's a new line. I want to test this out and see if I like it. If I like it, then I'll order another one, and we go like that. But for right now, 10K, perfectly fine for me for right now. But y'all already know, all through the line, y'all already know, we got this. We got the big boy. We got the... We got the big boy, you know what I mean? But y'all already know, hopefully we'll be sponsored by American Base. Hopefully we'll be sponsored by American Base later on in the future. I want y'all to like, comment, subscribe, share. Y'all already know what it is, the realest on YouTube, you know what I mean? Me, always been raw and uncut. I came from nothing, so I can't fake nothing. I ain't even got money like that, but I'm making it shake, you heard me? But let's turn this around, baby. Yeah, oh, good packaging. They packaged this motherfucker up, boy. Look at all of this. 4 boxes, or 3 boxes. Came in 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3, and then bam. Look, y'all. Let me zoom you out some. Look, y'all. Ooh. Ooh. What they say? Oh. I upgraded for them little 212, they said. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh. Me, I swear on everything I love. I never owned an 18. This is my first time owning an 18. Oh my gosh. Carbon fiber dust. Oh my gosh. Oh, ooh. Here's what y'all gotta do. When y'all get y'all do like this. Hold on, y'all. Let me set y'all up. So let me take this bad boy out. Let's set this up, y'all. My bad for the house don't look that crazy. Ooh, heavy. Super heavy. Super heavy. Hold on, I'm getting stuck. Get it out of here. There we go, y'all. Slide that back. There we go, y'all. Hope y'all got everything on that camera. Let me zoom y'all back in. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yo, 4 gauge terminal leads. 4 gauge push terminal leads. Triple strip. Oh my gosh. American Base did y'all thing. American Base did y'all thing, yo. 4 gauge. 4 gauge, baby. 4 gauge. This is 4 gauge, y'all. 4 gauge. Let me flip it over for y'all. 4 gauge, y'all. Look at that basket. Oh my God. Look at that spider. Ooh wee. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love, y'all. Look up in them guts. Look up all up in them guts. That's what you got to tub. Baby, let me look inside your guts. See what she working with. Look at that magnet, y'all. Oh, my God. Let me turn this for y'all. Look at that. Y'all see that? 4,700 watt, 12,000 max. Y'all see that? Y'all see that thing? Ooh-wee. Boy, you can't get no sexier than this, boy. You can't get no sexier than this. Team American Base. Y'all know what it is. I'm coming. Yo, fuck around. I might just order the second one. I ain't gonna lie. Might just order the second one. Put that on 2 10Ks. That's all I need for right now. That's all I need. 2 10Ks. That's it. 2 10Ks. Or I might just do 120K. It's crazy, y'all. Oh my gosh. Look this beautiful. Oh my God. Look at him creeping. Samba. Samba. But, oh my gosh. Look at this beauty. Woo-wee. But, gang, I'm gonna get this video up to y'all fast as possible. I might just drop this shit raw and uncut, just like this. I'm gonna put the other clips from today about me picking up the carburetor up together. My brother, thank you, Norm. It's not gonna fit. The carburetor's not gonna fit, but he still looked out and tried to give me the carburetor. But I appreciate him. But I'm gonna try to get y'all up. I'm trying to get I can't talk right now. I'm trying to get this video up fast as possible for you. I'm gonna try to edit this. You know, I ain't good at editing all of that. I'm gonna try to put the clips in, put all the clips together. But this motherfucker is nasty right here, boy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Team American Base. You already know what it is. We out. Gang.